Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make papaya hairspray for treating dandruff, hair growth, and how you can treat dandruff for hair growth. So I've just plucked fresh leaves, and make sure that you wash them. Of course, these are organically produced, or yes, so make sure that you go for organic leaves. Yes, so you have to make sure that you wash it to remove any dirty, or if it's not, like to remove all the pesticide which may be in your leaf. This is very, very important. This is a very important step, so that your leaves are so clean. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now to my 160 subscribers. Thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. I really appreciate you guys. I know that you, yes, you have been watching my videos. This is not your first. Make sure that you consider subscribing. On this channel, I upload videos every day, and make sure that you check out for videos every day. Everyone desires and a dream to flaunt lashes and healthy strands, but not at all the loss of coating your hair with chemicals. I'm talking about papaya, which is so delicious and good for your health, but also hot secret behind good hair. So it promotes hair growth. Papaya leaf prevents balding and promotes hair growth. It contains folic acid and antioxidants which enhance blood circulation of blood, oxygen, and nutrients to your hair follicles and allow the growth of healthy hair. So the antimicrobial property prevents several infections that can damage your scalp. So papaya is good to control dandruff. One of the primary cause of dandruff is fungal infection. Papaya has antifungal properties, help control and prevent dandruff, itchy scalp, and dry follicles. So once you are done, make sure that you blend and add some water. Actually, I added 30 grams of water, and make sure that you blend it. So papaya is enriched with enzymes of papain, chymopypin, and vitamins A, C with antioxidants. Characteristics reduces nutrients friction actually between the strands of your hair and makes hair manageable, nourishes the scalp, and leaves the hair soft and hydrated. Papaya stimulates collagen production and strengthen hair. It helps repair like damaged hair and making your tresses strong and healthy. It provides it with it regulates actually sebum that nourishes your strands and strengthens and protect your hair. So at this point, you can actually decide whether to preserve it or not. In fact, I'm not going to preserve it. I'm just going to store it in the fridge for 5 days. And after 5 days, we're going to discard it. So that is how it looks like. Subscribe to our channel. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing. So it looks so beautiful. That green color, like whatever God made, is so perfect. And we need to appreciate that. Yes. So now, for you to see results, you have to make sure that you use it frequently and consistently. It's not something that you can use once and then say it's not working. It's about consistent. Yes. So at this point, I'm going to apply it on my scalp. Of course, I'm in a protective hairstyle, so I'll just spray it regularly throughout my hair strands and my scalp. This is very, very important. Like, you won't even need to manipulate your hair. But if your hair is free, that is, if you don't have any braids in your hair, you can actually spray it all over your hair and make sure that you concentrate it on the scalp to work magic. So this is very, very important. And this hairspray, like, it will work wonders because it's all natural. It doesn't have any chemicals. Yes, comment in the section below if you have ever tried papaya hairspray for your hair. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel to see, if you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, beloveds. See you in my next video, and God bless you.